Guys, so I'm coming at you with another DIY project. So this thing has been my worst nightmare. It's made by dooHickey, and it's a company up here in New England that was selling these. Here's what Jerry's looks like right now. We've taped it. See, what happens is these things here, they when you put your tablet down, they'll move on you, and then they'll make your tablet fall. So what I've done here was I took a piece of paper towel, the what do you call it, the roll, and I tried to like curl it around and put duct tape on it to try to hold this up, so when you put your tablet in like this, it won't fall. But that's not really holding too well. So because of that, and because of yesterday's accident when we were out busking, I broke my tablet. And you can see here it's so cracked everywhere. Now, this, what you're seeing up here, this is black electrical tape that I had to put around it because the whole screen's broken now and everything. So, Jerry came up with a brilliant idea. He said, why don't we take like a bungee cord or something and put around this tablet so it doesn't slide off any longer. And so I didn't have a bungee cord that was small enough, but I do have this rope. And I thought, why don't I put some of this rope around and just tie it in the back. Let me show you what it looks like. Because I've taped this all up with black tape and it just won't hold up. So I can't use it to actually put in there. But I got it leaning on there now. And I got some tape to go around, some string to go around to try to hold it in. And then he came up with another brilliant idea, and he said, why don't we put a lip down here? So what I did was I came up with the idea. I saw a video by John Ray Birds, and he was using these glue sticks, and he like took little dots of glue sticks and he would go around his birdhouse, and then when he cut out his bowl, when he went to slide it over top, it would stop on the glue sticks. And I thought, man, that's a brilliant idea. So I thought, why don't we put beads down here? And then Jerry said, well, why don't we get like this? He said, like a chopstick or something, and put it down so it's like a lip. So between watching that video that John Ray Birds had up and what Jerry's suggestions was, and just my own brain, we come up with this. So we put the hot glue gun down here, then we took this chopstick and I measured how far out I want it to reach, and then cut it off. And then I took a little one of these files and I filed the edges off. Oh, I used this tool to cut them. What is this, a pliers?
Wire cutter.
Wire cutter. I used that to cut the edges off, and then, like I said, use this to to get this soft. And so now with the string and with this, it shouldn't slide anywhere, because yesterday we had this up on top of the piano, and as soon as he started playing something, the vibrations made the tablet just slide down and then drop, and so that's busted. But he thought maybe we should show you guys what we did to try to fix it, because we're going to try to go with what we got so far until maybe Christmas time, because sometimes at Christmas time you can get things on cheap or on sale. Because this tablet here, we just bought it Christmas time, and it was like, how much was it? $149. It's still $149 on Amazon there.
Other places over $200. Inflation.
And then there's companies around here that will replace the screen, but I don't know how much they charge. And I looked up how to do it myself, and you have to buy a display. So the display would probably be easy to replace, but I don't know where to buy the display from. So that's all, because it's like, I think $100 just to replace the display. And by the time you get your work into it and everything, you might as well just go and buy another tablet. This is just the way today's world works, So we just put things together here to just try to save some money.
And the junk products that are created that just don't hold up.
Yeah.
Real crap.
These products just don't hold up. And I don't even know. I couldn't even reach out to this company because I don't even know their number or anything. So if you guys have a hot glue gun and some glue sticks and some string
And chopstick.
and some wire cutter and a chopstick, you can maybe make yourself a stand that can hold your tablets.
When your original stand
When
won't
your original
anymore.
stand, yeah, won't
Save
work
yourself
anymore.
some money from.
I
I don't trust any of the tablets holders on the market. You get a different one, oh so good, it's gonna break anyway.
Yeah.
Way before it's time.
Yeah, because I see a lot on eBay that they have stands like this, but this part here doesn't turn, and I'm not quite sure if they're going to be as good. They're like $10, 10 something, and I don't know. Maybe you guys have some suggestions on a good sturdy stand. We have an Android here system, and what else do we need? We were looking. I need to get something for my mic stand too. So I have. I'll show you. Okay, so I have this that I got at the same store, you know, and I wrapped it all around because this is one of those types that you like turn here, and this mounts onto a table, and then this is like a gooseneck thing, but I wrapped my gooseneck all around here so I could have a tablet holder. So if I'm playing guitar, you know, my tablet can fit in there. But as you noticed a couple weeks ago when we were doing a live stream, this thing was falling all over the place. It was going like this, and it was turning my tablet. Oh, what a nightmare. But I got to find something that'll clamp right here onto the mic stand itself. And I do see some on eBay. I like to look on eBay because eBay sort of has good bargains sometimes, and I just haven't decided which one yet. But I really hate to get rid of this because it does work. I took this off and really tightened it back up. See, I'm the type of girl, not guy. I'm the type of girl that likes to use whatever I have without spending tons of money to get something new and then have that break. So if I find something if I find a solution, then it's better than going out and spending a lot of money on unwanted things and throwing these away. I'm just not like that.
Like you thought up for the grabber.
And Jerry's not like that either. So we just thought we'd give you guys some ideas. And if you guys have some ideas for us or suggestions, that would be great too, because that's how we learn from each other as humans and as individuals. All right, guys. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and
leave your comments there. And
yeah, leave your comments. Let us know what you think. And don't forget to love yourself and others.
Right.
And
hit the bell for more, the notification bell for future content.
and we'll see you on another video, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.